moving. Help me see what the fuck's there. Use it. Cunt.
This is Tina Healy. The government plans to give people in England the right to vote on whether their neighbours can carry out building work such as extensions as part of changes to the planning system. But some controversial measures...
We had the traffic being held at junction 29 because of an accident. You can get through there, but one lane is shut. Also clockwise at 16 for the other.
What the fuck are you up to, you fucking twat?
Probably,
But not being able to get back to
lockdown,
the
yeah. Oh, crikey.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, come on, you're not that fucking... What the fuck are you doing going so slow with that speed bump? What are you doing? What are you up to? What the fuck? I'm so fucking confused. What the fuck?
I would do anything for you.
That was close. It's because they drive so fucking fast. It's a problem.
Whoa,
Where's he fucking?
whoa.
Yeah, what a prick. Look at him.
As soon as that red
What?
just cut in front of me. Look, where's he going? Oh, Hetty, they. One of them. Sorry, we're good girl. Sorry. Whoa, what the fuck are you doing?
Where's he going?
No entry, fella. Oh, another one. There's another one. Whoa.
Oh, in front of me, yeah.
No, we pop it up. Oh my life. Just there we go. You were right. One more.
What the